listen carefully. This is a very tricky question. So Peter had a total of 40 pens and highlighters at first. He then decided to exchange all his pens for highlighters. So wait, he exchanged each pen for 5 highlighters. One pen get 5 highlighters, and had a total of 88 highlighters in the end. Okay. So listen. So he started off with 40 pens and highlighters. 40. In the end, he has he will have no highlighters, leaving he only have he decided to exchange all his pens. Okay, in the end, he has no pens, he only has highlighters. Right. So imagine beginning he has 40 pens and highlighter. At the end, he has 88 highlighters. Right, from 40 pens and highlighters to 88 highlighters. So now we don't care about whether it's pen or highlighters. We think about items. So beginning, he got 40 items. In the end, he got 88 items. So in terms of items, there's an increase of how much? There's an increase of 48 items, right? So how did you have from 40 items become 88 items? Because every pen can give you 5 highlighters. Every pen can give you 5 highlighters. Meaning what? Every pen, when you change from 1 pen to 5 highlighters, your number of items increase by 4. Correct? Every pen you change to 5 highlighters, your number of items increase by 4. In total, your number of items increased by 48. So if I use 48 divided by 4, I will know how many pens have I used to exchange into highlighters. Make sense? Okay? So 48 divided by 4, I get 12, meaning I must have changed 12 pens. Answer is 12. Any question? Very tricky question. This is pure logic. No special method.